And we're live. Welcome to Commuter Podcast. This is episode 2, Answering Reddit Questions. For today's video, we'll be answering questions from Reddit, how to get their PH. So, we'll just answer the questions na alam natin kung paano mag-commute. Okay. So, the first question is how to commute from Monumento to Eastwood, Quezon City. Okay, this one is pretty easy. So, from Monumento, you can ride the EDSA Carousel bus going to Main Avenue or Cubao Station, and then walk from Main Avenue going to Araneta Bus Center, and you will find the modern jeep going to Eastwood. So the travel time from Monumento going to Eastwood is around 1 hour. So to visualize, let's go to the map. So this is our map. Okay, let's go Monumento, then going to Eastwood, Ibis. Okay, so this is Monumento Station. So from MCU, you'll ride the EDSA Carousel going to Main Avenue. So this is Main Avenue. And then from Main Avenue, walk going to Cubao, Araneta Station. Let's add a stop. Araneta. There. So from Main Avenue, go to Araneta Bus Center, and then you'll arrive to Eastwood. So the fare ranges from 20 pesos going to Araneta, and then 20 pesos also going to Eastwood. So there. So this is 29 minutes only because this is car, but if you're going to commute, there's stops, and then you'll have to walk going to Eastwood. Okay. So next question. Bacoor to Hospital ng Muntinlupa. Okay. So I'm not sure where in Bacoor you'll be coming from, but let's search for hospital. Okay. So there. So if you're coming from Bacoor, well, let's say SM Bacoor. If you're coming from SM Bacoor, then you'll have to ride jeep from SM Bacoor going to Zapote. There, going to Zapote, and then Alabang Zapote Road going to Festival Mall. And then from Festival Mall, you can just go to walk going to Hospital ng Muntinlupa. It's just close to Festival Mall. You can also ride the jeep going to District Imus. So District Imus there. So District Imus, and then pass along the Anghari. There's District Imus. Yeah. So District Imus going to SM Molino, and then going to Festival Mall. So there's multicab, and there's also modern jeep from District Imus going to Star Mall, Alabang. There. Okay, so travel time would be around 1.5 hours going to Muntinlupa. Kasi traffic sa Las Piñas. Yeah. Alright, so next. Commute from Bataan to Makati. So I'm not sure where from Bataan you're coming from, but let's say you're coming from Balanga. If coming from Balanga, you can ride the Bataan Transit from Bataan going to Avenida or Cubao, and then from Avenida you can take the LRT going to Hilpuyat Station, and then ride the jeep from Buendia Bus Terminal going to Ayala. If coming from Cubao, then you have to ride the MRT going to Ayala Station, and Ayala jeep going to Ayala. Okay, Ayala Malls Manila Bay going to Pasita. So next is Ayala Malls Manila Bay to Pasita. So if you're not familiar, Ayala Malls Manila Bay is very close to PITX. However, there are no direct buses from PITX going to Pasita. So first, you have to ride the modern jeep going to Buendia Bus Terminal. And from Buendia Bus Terminal, here, kailangan mong sumakay ng Jackliner or BPL bus going to Pasita. Yeah. So how much is the fare? Let's check. Buendia going to Pasita. Fare from Buendia to Pasita is 64 pesos. So, dadaan siya ng SLEX. Other option, from Ayala Malls Manila Bay, pwede ka ring sumakay ng Balibago bus from PITX. From PITX going to Balibago, and then Balibago sakay ka pabalik. Hindi ko alam kung titigil siya sa Alabang, but sakay ka pabalik ng Pasita. So for me, mas mabilis kung sasakay ka na lang sa Buendia. Alright, next. Ayala Malls Cloverleaf to Quiapo Church to St. Jude Tadeus. Okay, so if hindi nyo alam kung nasan Ayala Mall Cloverleaf, it's in Balintawak LRT station. So from Balintawak, may mga diretsyo ng jeep doon going to Quiapo or Divisoria. And then St. Jude Tadeus, I think it ito yung malapit sa may Malacanang. Tama ba? Wait lang. St. Jude Tadeus. Ayan. St. Jude Tadeus. Hindi. St. Jude. Mali pala. Ang St. Jude Tadeus ay nasa Ortigas. So, from Quiapo, sakay ka ng jeep na papuntang San Juan. Yan, San Juan. Kasi San Juan area na ito. Pero I'm not sure bakit ka pupunta na. Tama ba? Ito ba yun? St. Jude Tadeus. Baka ibang St. Jude yun. Next question. South Triangle, EDSA or Quezon Ave to Toyota Alabang. Lease transfers or exactly on Toyota. Toyota Alabang. Okay, let's search. Toyota Alabang. I think ito yung nandun sa malapit sa festival. Okay. So from Quezon Ave, sakay ka ng EDSA Carousel from Quezon Ave station going to Ayala, or pwede ding MRT from Quezon Ave station to Ayala. And then from Ayala, may bus na doon going to Star Mall Alabang. And then from Star Mall Alabang, you can ride the jeep going to Ayala Town Center or Zapote, Las Piñas. Or you can also walk from Festival going to Toyota Alabang. So travel time would be around 1 to 2 hours from Quezon Ave kasi magtatagal ka sa may bandang Ayala. And then depende kung anong oras ka alis, kung traffic sa Skyway. Alright. Pasig Palengke to Gate 3. Okay, from Pasig Palengke, you can ride the FX going to Market. And then Market, sakay ka ng jeep na papuntang Gate 3. Pwede ka rin sumakay hanggang Puting, and then may mga jeep na din doon na diretsong Gate 3 galing ng Guadalupe. Pero if I were you, Market is still better. Okay, Multinational Village, Parañaque going to Okada. Wala na kasi yung bus na pa Okada galing ng MUA. So magtaksi ka na lang, wala nang ibang paraan. Okay, SM North EDSA galing ng Malinta, Valenzuela. Okay, from Malinta, Valenzuela, sakay ka muna ng bus na papuntang Monumento. And then Monumento, EDSA Carousel going to North Ave Station or Trinoma. May bus din na galing Valenzuela pero nasa may VGC, Valenzuela Gateway Complex, going to SM North and Trinoma. Okay, Baclaran Church going to Binondo. So, how to commute po from Baclaran Church going to Binondo? Madali lang po yan. Sakay ka lang ng jeep na biyaheng Divisoria. Ang Divisoria ay, ang terminal ng Divisoria ay nasa Binondo na. So, one ride lang yun. Okay, next, Binondo to Trinoma, Quezon City. Okay, from Binondo, sakay ka ng jeep mula Divisoria papuntang Recto. And then, you can take the LRT from Recto Station going to Cubao, transfer to MRT from Cubao going to Trinoma. That's the fastest. Pwede ka ring sumakay ng jeep na papuntang Quiapo. And then from Quiapo, may mga van or FX na doon na galing Buendia na papuntang SM North. Okay, next, Gateway to Pasita, Southwoods. From Gateway, Cubao, may mga van sa likod ng Jollibee na papuntang Pasita or Southwoods, but I don't recommend that because medyo mahal. Best option is to ride the MRT from Gateway to Ayala Station, and then may mga bus na doon ng Jackliner at BBL na papuntang Pasita. If going to Southwoods, ang sakyan mo ay Binyan. May mga bus na Binyan Southwoods. If diretsong Binyan Bayan lang yung nasakyan mo, may tricycle doon from Binyan going to Southwoods. Malapit siya sa may PNR station yung sakayan. Okay, next is Roosevelt to Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. So, from Roosevelt Station, sakay ka lang ng LRT going to EDSA Station. And then, EDSA Station, sakay ka ng EDSA Carousel Bus going to PITX. Dadaan na siya ng Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Okay, next one is Los Baños to Pasita commute. From Los Baños, sakay ka lang ng bus na going Calamba, or pwede ding jeep going to Calamba. And then from Calamba, may van na doon na diretsong Pasita. Pwede ding jeep na papuntang Pasita, or sakay ka ng papuntang Balibago, and then Balibago, sakay ka ulit ng papuntang Pasita. If you're thinking pwede ding Alabang, sakyan mo ay HM bus, yung mga galing ng Santa Cruz, dumadaan ng Los Baños papuntang Alabang. This is the fastest route kasi from Alabang pwede ka nang mag jeep na going to Pasita kesa dumaan ka ng bayan-bayan ng Cabuyao, Santa Rosa sa Cabinyan. Okay, so that's it. Next time ulit. Thank you for watching and have a good night. Bye.